Here's how to remove a recovery email from your Google account step by step. First, open any browser on your phone or computer and go to myaccount.google.com. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account you want to edit. Now look at the menu and tap Security. Scroll down until you see Ways we can verify it's you. Here you'll find your recovery phone and your recovery email. Tap Recovery Email. Google may ask you to verify that it's really you. You might need to enter your password or approve a prompt on your phone. Just follow the verification steps. Once you're in the recovery email settings, you'll see the email you previously added. Tap the trash icon or the remove button. Google will ask you to confirm. Just tap Remove again. Your recovery email is now deleted. Keep in mind, removing your recovery email makes account recovery harder if you forget your password. So, after removing it, it's a good idea to add a new recovery option, either a new recovery email or a recovery phone, to keep your account safe and easy to recover. And that's it. Your recovery email has been removed successfully.